Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here today with a very exciting video. I could not wait to film this, and I have been dying unable to unbox this because I wanted to wait for you guys. I was out recently just grabbing some prescriptions early in the morning and some stuff done, and not to toot my own horn, but I recently just graduated, so I was feeling a little giddy, and I saw this on the shelf at Shoppers and I just had to grab it. This is the Sugarful and Spice fragrance from Michel Germain, if I'm saying that correctly. And as you may recall from one of my fragrance hauls, I have not followed up on it since, but let me tell you, I am enjoying it. The Sugarful original from Michel Germain, and I had not tried a lot of their fragrances, but this one, as I have gone on about, I'll just take it out of the box. The box is just so cute, too cute to throw away. And it comes in this kind of fun, goofy little sugar dispenser. But I can go on about this one later because the star of the show is Sugarful and Spice. But for context, I will tell you that this is a very sugary, strawberry, sweet, gourmand. I use the rollerball often that came with it, as does Sugarful and Spice, and it's so just sweet, girly, not much depth at all. It's just very spun sugar, cotton candy scented. And typically I don't like to pay a lot for those kind of generic scents, but this bottle got me, and the longevity is really noticeable as opposed to body sprays with the same kind of notes. So yeah, I actually could not find the notes for this one yet. It's brand spanking new, so let's just open it. And I did smell the tester, but it didn't take me long to grab this, so let's see what I think. Okay, so this is actually easier than opening, I thought. So I just pulled the plastic off, and it comes with another free rollerball, so that's great for your purse. And here is the actual fragrance. So it comes like that, and you open it up, and it looks just like the pink one. So what did I do with it? Here we go. Yeah, so you can tell they're completely identical. That same sugar, old school dispenser. And I'm going to go ahead and spray this. I'm so excited. Oh, okay. This one, I truly feel like has much more depth than the pink one. It is a little spicy, but not in your face. Like, I like the musky, sexy spiciness of fragrances, but I feel like some of those linger for too long, and this one is like just sweet enough. It actually kind of reminds me kind of like a better fantasy, if there is such a thing, if that makes sense. Just less manufactured, which is funny because I said this one is super like spun cotton candy, and this one is just more light and dreamy. Like a spicy creamsicle. Okay, just try to work with me on that. So I'm gonna test the longevity of this. I will get back to you guys, and I'm gonna wear it the rest of the night. It is 7:30 now, and I'll check in with you guys before I go to bed. I'm gonna spray it as I would going out, so all over, a couple sprays in my hair, and then I always make sure to hit my elbows when I spray. So I will check in with you guys soon. Hey guys, welcome back. It's Sydney again, telling you how my brand new Sugarful and Spice performed today. I gotta say, I checked in around, like 7:30? It's 10 o'clock now, and I can smell it on my clothes. I cannot smell it on my skin at all, and it just, it faded away as soon as I sprayed it. Like, I got in the car with my boyfriend, and he was like, "Oh, you smell nice." And I was like, "Oh, thanks." But I swear, like, by the time we got to his place, it takes like 5 minutes, I couldn't smell it anymore. So that was kind of a bummer. However, I love the actual scent of it. It's very warm, like super easy to wear, like just a cool girl, like warm. How do I explain it? It's just so like creamy and sweet with like that kick of spice. It's like, it's really nice. So I know that it doesn't last very long, but that's the advantage of having this like huge bottle. You can really go nuts with it. And I will say that I do enjoy how the roller ball will apply it like directly to your skin. I applied the Sugarful on this arm earlier today, like way earlier, and I can still smell it, but obviously like very closely. So if you're on the fence, this smells really good, doesn't last. You gotta keep, this is like something you gotta keep in your purse. But I really enjoy the scent. I wish I could give you some notes, but they're not even out yet. If you really like gourmand scents, I would recommend the Sugarful. Like that one actually lasts longer. I'm so happy I was able to show you guys that new fragrance. It's really too bad that it doesn't last long, but like I said, I don't really mind lugging this around, or in the more obvious case, the rollerball. So anyways, thank you so much for watching, you guys. Let me know what you thought about Sugarful down below if you've tried it, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.